Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial video I am going to show you how you can turn off shuffle play on your Spotify desktop app or your web application. To do that, simply watch this video till the end and do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. So without further ado, let us get started. You can choose to open the Spotify app on your phone, or you can also go to your browser and then head over to spotify.com. Once you go to spotify.com, make sure you are actually logged into your premium account. To turn off shuffle play on Spotify, you need to have a premium account. If you don't have a premium account, then this is not going to work. So make sure you have first registered a premium account on Spotify. Now here, when I go to Spotify and then try to play back a song, as you can see, open web player. Now when I click on a certain playlist, for example, let me play the first song. As you can see, the first song is actually playing. So if I try to click on next song, it will play any random song from the playlist and not directly the next song. Let me show you. As you can see, the next song after the first song is First Class, but the song that played was Birthday Cake. So to turn this shuffle off is really simple. On the bottom, you can see this green icon which says Disable Shuffle. When you hover over it, what you want to do is simply click on it until the green color has actually disappeared and has turned into white. Now you can see, if I click next song, let me show you again. Now you can see, after I play next song, right over here, it will play the next song directly after the first one, and then so and so and so. So this is how you can turn off shuffle play on Spotify. We hope this video was really helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, do leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we will bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.